Yes, very good morning to all. I am Seema Arora from Maharashtra Muslim University, Indra. My hobby is listening music, and I want to introduce to you person Miss Urvashi from Sahara Comprehensive. Please get up, ma'am. This is Urvashi, and her
One
hobby is
minute, one minute. In the class, we ask our students, we expect from the students to listen to instructions and follow them. And every time asking you to rise up when your name is given. Yes. Then your students don't listen to you. What do you behave like in the class? How do you behave? Sometimes. Sometimes or most often. Most often. Are you do we do it or not? Do we do it or not? Yes. So please, I request you that in your class also have that patience which you are expecting me to have, right? So every time, suppose your students are not following the instructions, what should we do? Yeah, I know. What should we do? Repeat the instructions. Yes, because it happens. Many times it happens that I'm speaking and other person is not listening to me. So as a teacher, my duty is that I should repeat what I've said and I should be with patient also because we are there for language and literature, English language and literature. And when we talk about language, what we say that language is never lost. It is always taught. Language is never lost. It is always taught. So taught will be when we will be using that language in the class. And we have to be relevant. So this is the first point from our introduction itself. Right? Please continue quickly.
another person I want to introduce is Seema Rani from KVM School. Her hobby is listening music.
Okay. Third person.
I have collected information about this person.
Okay. Thank you. Next, please. Quickly. Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I need to introduce from Maharashtra District. One of me is reading book. Secondly, I meet with Sridhar ma'am from
I know earlier also Mr. Ramnath sir fortunate visit this school, visiting this. Really, sir has a very good nature, and Opium sir is listening music, which we really enjoyed. Yes, and second great personality, Mr. Naresh Kumar sir visiting this also. I met the sir recently, and I could assess that sir also is a model of music listening music. Aside, sir is also interesting in playing cricket. That's what I could decide. Thank you.
Why not third one? Because of liberty, but two more were there.
I'm
He
saying,
is my close person, so I can take liberty. So why not the third one?
yes.
Why not the third one?
Actually, I put in the five. Coincidentally, I noticed that he is already English very, and I thank the most of the resource person to that allowing me to just participate in this today's workshop.
We have no one to allow it, sir. Someone sir is a very good resource person, and he has been my core person, so clap for him also. And I'm sorry I'm taking liberty. The thing is, why didn't you contact the relationship?
when I just entered, uh, when I just entered 7 days ago, I was delivering a workshop on gender sensitivity.
Yes. That's why I'm asking.
When I just entered, I just requested to sir, sir, we are the attendance release in this channel. Really, since last 1 year, I'm just quoting, I'm just saying this thing. We are really the attendance release fighting for the male friend. So, if we all will be vanished, it will be very hectic for the female teacher to handle the male student. Really. So, it's my concern. That's what I'll be thinking. So, that's my submission for my purpose. Thank you. And one more interesting thing, we have left two seats. We have left two seats. Yes, for anyone. For anyone.
Who would like to join them? Who would like to join them, please? I'm serious about it. It's, because we are teaching in co-educational school. Are we? Are we teaching or not? So if we don't mix up, how will we expect our students to have a healthy mindset? Yes? Don't think we have come here for maybe for English only. Because see the slide displayed there. Kindly read everyone. Which is the key word here? Thank you, Shraddha ma'am, for taking the lead. Lovely. Yes. Which word you find the key word here? In the slide which is displayed. What is the most important requirement? Yes? Passionate. Dedication. Dedicated to and passionate about what? What is it? The passion. When we talk about passion. So when we are passionate, then do we see who is in the class? He is a good learner. She is a slow learner. ये तो क्लास में आना ही नहीं चाहिए शांति रहती है can we say that when we are passionate excuse me when we are passionate about our work about our teaching can we make each student in our class learn to the maximum potential yes have you seen Sitare Zameen Par no I haven't seen Sitare Zameen Par 2.2, it is implementation of curriculum. Fine. Then table number 4. You have lesson unit plan and 2.4. Creating cross-curricular linkages. These two paras are with you. Then table number 5, 2.5. Special emphasis on integrating arts in education. Fine. Then table number 6, art integrated paradigm. Then 2B, handout 2B, background and objective. Table number 7, background and objective. Table number 8. At the end of this stage, learners will be able to do, okay, that is the objective. Table number 8. Table number 8, language item. Table number 9, methods and techniques. 9 and 10 will be doing methods and techniques. Yes. You will be reading only the part which is divided. Read it, think about it, and present it here. Presentation, for presentation, 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, of course, you have mobile phones. You can take help from knowing the meanings of the words because there will be new words. In case you feel stuck, then I'm here. Please raise your hand. I'll come to you. Wherever you feel stuck, please ask for help. I think imparted general objectives of learning, courses of study, subject-wise intellectual objectives, all should be included in this. It provides opportunities for the students to achieve excellence in learning. We should encourage our students to we taught the students they can easily grasp all the learning. Yes. That's it. Anything you want to add? Let's please work together as a group. Okay. I told you to summarize. Summarize, precise. Yes. Please. Let's spend time, short time. Together as a group and summarize. Quickly. Please quietly. And now point six, promote inclusive education by promoting equal access to facility. CBSE gives students, all generation students give equal opportunity. They give any development course to the all students like no problem. The thing is, we should discuss the things out. That's why I'm telling you that please discuss everyone equally. Then let's talk about inclusivity. I also started my this with inclusivity. Now, question is CBSE curriculum. From where do we download curriculum? Yes. Which is the site? CBSE. CBSE site. What is the cbse.gov.in? Right? We download our curriculum there. Now, I was worried about missing one. Okay. Now see, we have two books. We discussed earlier how many topics? 24, 25 topics are there. Now, when we talk about inclusivity, do we have different curriculums for different students sitting in the class? So, what are we required? Books are same, lessons are same, students are different. Yes, exactly. So, curriculum, when we talk about curriculum, because in many of the CBPs we went there and we said syllabus is outdated. It should be changed. Different syllabus for different people. Not possible. Curriculum is same, content is same, but we have to adopt some strategies that it caters to the need of everyone. Got it, ma'am? Inclusivity. सितारे जमीन पर सबका अपना अपना नॉर्मल, right? Yes. The first point is provide ample scope for physical, intellectual, and social development of students. CBSE wants to improve overall development of students, not focus on road memorization. Okay, they want to achieve overall development of students as well as learners. Thanks. Quick, please. Quick.
Good morning, everyone. Now, third objective. The CBSE wants to familiar the student about the constitution and want to spread the constitution literacy. Students must know about